Hello, this is Zachary here from Northwest Arkansas, and I just received the second um, mystery package that Mr. Flag, a Welsh-based flag manufacturer, is offering. The first time I got the package, the post office just shoved it inside the box, so none of the flags got ruined, but the package did. But this time they left it on the front door, so I'm able to kind of show you that it's unopened, hiding my address. But yeah, it's unopened, and let's see what we got. Alright, so these look like bunting, and the writing says Northern Ireland, so some bunting over here. Alright, so it looks like some more bunting over here. This time, France. Kind of perfect for the World Cup final that's going to be going on Sunday. Let's see here. Looks like this is some more kind of European bunting, but with it being English, the English being out in front. That's going to be more football related. Alright, see Ukraine in here as well. Okay, I think this is Euro 2012 bunting for the participating nations, because not only it shows England, so they show the FIFA Association flags, but also it was hosted by both Poland and also Ukraine. So that's what I think that is. So this is Italy bunting, but instead of the traditional rectangular flags, it shows the triangles. So there's definitely a lot more aesthetic over here. Let's see here. Brand ensign. Packaging over here. So this was definitely what we would have seen, at least here in the U.S., prior to our revolution. These kind of flags right over here. There's a modern reproduction. Let's see. This. Algeria. All right. Right. Here. All right, this is the Queen's Platinum Jubilee Purple. So definitely a nice one with that. Here's a Wales bandana. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is, according to the packaging here, it's a 3x5 foot France. There's especially more French flags for the final. Okay, let's see what this one is. It gave packaging information, but not necessarily saying what it is. This is... Oh, man. The red looks a little bit like a Latvia red. Probably more than what probably a different shade of red from what I've seen before, but this is pretty awesome. Okay. That's the invoice. and Trustpilot. Okay. Okay, there's 2 more flags in here. Okay, got a small Union Jack. It's definitely for kind of use on boats or just anything small. Got a merchant flag as well, similar size. Probably for like courtesy ships and things like that. And one more. Okay. Scotland. So definitely looks like it has the pole sleeves in it. And also got the anti-fray. And I can honestly say this is the first anti-fray flag that I have in my collection. So take a look right down here. It just with this netting in here, it allows the winds to catch this and pretty much preserves this edge of the flag over here. So for this set over here, I paid about, let's see, what does the invoice say? Okay. I would say I paid roughly about 35 US. I don't know the exact figure top of my head, so I apologize for that. But for just some of the flags in here, it's definitely well worth the cost. Like, shoot, even just this French flag over here, it's well worth the cost for getting this mystery pack. And if you're someone who's trying to start a flag collection and just not really sure where to go, or you just want a variety, they're definitely the place to go to for a package like that. Well, it's definitely fun unboxing with me, and I'll catch you guys later.